In DaVinci Resolve 20, what many people call layers are actually called tracks, and once you understand that, adding or removing them becomes very easy. Tracks are what let you stack videos, audio, text, graphics, and B-roll on top of your main footage. So if you want more control over your edit, knowing how to manage tracks is essential. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add or remove video and audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. You can do that by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where most of your timeline editing happens, and it's the best place to manage tracks. Now, if you want to add a new track the easiest way, just drag a video or audio clip from the media pool into the empty gray space above or below your existing tracks. DaVinci Resolve will automatically create a new track for that clip. This is super helpful when you want to place B-roll above your main video or separate audio onto its own track for better control. If you want to add a track manually, go to the far left side of the timeline and right-click on the track header. That's the area where you see labels like Video 1, Video 2, Audio 1, and so on. When the menu opens, choose Add Track if you only want one new track. If you need more control, choose Add Tracks instead. This lets you specify exactly how many tracks you want to create and where you want them placed. That's useful when you're building a more organized timeline and want everything lined up the way you want from the start. Now let's say you want to remove a track. Right-click the header of the specific track you want to delete, then select Delete Track. Keep in mind that this removes the entire track and all the clips that are sitting on it, so make sure you really want to clear that layer before confirming. If your timeline has a bunch of empty spaces and unused tracks, there's an even faster cleanup option. Right-click in any empty space within the track header area and choose Delete Empty Tracks. This is a great way to quickly tidy up your timeline by removing any layers that don't contain clips. So, to recap, in DaVinci Resolve 20, you can add tracks by dragging in media or by right-clicking the track header. And you can remove tracks by deleting them directly or cleaning up empty ones with Delete Empty Tracks. Once you get used to it, managing your timeline becomes much faster and much more organized. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.